The journey begins at the massive sneaker manufacturing facility, spanning acres of industrial operations.
Strict security ensures only authorized personnel and materials enter the facility.
Prominent signage marks the gateway to the world of high-end sneaker production.
Raw materials are brought in daily, ready to enter the production pipeline.
Forklifts efficiently transfer incoming shipments to staging areas inside the factory.
Every employee is verified for safety and accountability within the production zone.
Hundreds of skilled workers begin their shifts, ready to manage specialized machinery.
An external conveyor network ensures a smooth, weather-protected transfer of materials. High-tech surveillance maintains safety and operational integrity around the clock.
The flow of materials is continuous, regulated by automated logistics systems.
The factory's scale is a testament to the complexity and volume of sneaker production.
Behind these doors, raw materials begin their transformation into designer sneakers.
All incoming materials are first unloaded from conveyors, ready for detailed inspection.
Skilled inspectors ensure only premium leather enters the production line, removing flaws immediately.
Foam blocks are verified for density and dimensions, critical for consistent midsole performance.
Rubber sheets undergo strict quality control, ensuring durability and flexibility for soles.
Fabrics are straightened and smoothed, preventing errors during precise cutting.
Every spool and lace is checked to maintain stitching integrity and aesthetic quality.
Precise adhesive preparation ensures strong bonding during shoe assembly.
All accessories are organized and counted, ready for incorporation into sneaker designs.
Cleaning removes dust and particles, ensuring flawless surfaces for assembly.
Materials are systematically sorted for easy access during the next stages of production.
Buffer storage ensures a continuous flow of materials, avoiding bottlenecks on the production line.
Pre-processed materials are now ready for transformation in the core production phase.
Leather sheets are flattened under high pressure, creating uniform surfaces ready for precise cutting. Foam blocks are molded into midsoles, forming the foundation of each sneaker's comfort. Rubber sheets are pressed into durable outsoles, ensuring both grip and flexibility. Fabrics are precision cut into upper panels, guaranteeing accurate shape and alignment. Brand logos and decorative patterns are engraved with precision, adding identity and style. Punching creates exact openings for laces and accessories, maintaining design accuracy. Molded components are trimmed for precise dimensions and smooth edges.
Adhesive coating prepares soles for secure bonding with uppers, ensuring durability.
Upper panels are shaped to precise contours, matching the foot's natural form. Mechanical alignment ensures perfect contact between midsoles and outsoles for optimal performance. Quality checks prevent misalignment or defects before permanent bonding.
Soles are permanently bonded under precise heat and pressure, forming the core of each sneaker. Uppers are carefully aligned with soles, the first step in forming the complete sneaker.
Precise adhesive application ensures a strong bond between the upper and sole.
Pressure is applied to secure the upper, creating the foundation of the finished sneaker.
Toe boxes are molded for comfort and aesthetic precision.
Heel and back support elements are formed, ensuring stability and proper fit.
Linings and insoles are added, enhancing comfort and performance.
Eyelets are precisely positioned, preparing the shoe for final lacing.
High-quality materials are carefully selected to form the foundation of every designer sneaker.
Rubber and foam, essential for midsoles and cushioning, arrive ready for precise cutting.
Fabrics are prepared and measured, ensuring exact dimensions for every shoe component.
Each hide is meticulously inspected, separating premium cuts from standard grades.
Foam blocks are shaped into cushioning components, the core of sneaker comfort.
Threads and laces are sorted, ready for precision stitching in the assembly phase. Specialized adhesives are stored under strict safety protocols, ensuring reliable shoe bonding.
Even before production, packaging is prepared to protect each sneaker during shipping. Every accessory is checked for quality, ensuring each sneaker is both functional and stylish.
Automated cleaning maintains pristine surfaces, preparing sneakers for quality checks.
Packaging test robots ensure each pair fits perfectly within its box before mass packaging. PLC-controlled lines optimize throughput, balancing production speed with precision.
Final shaping by robotic systems ensures each sneaker maintains its intended design and structure.
Automation streamlines complex tasks, integrating precision and speed across the production line.
Excess adhesive is meticulously removed to ensure a flawless edge and professional finish. Toe boxes are calibrated for consistency, ensuring comfort and proper fit.
Midsoles and outsoles are carefully checked to prevent warping and ensure uniform contact. Protective coatings enhance durability, water resistance, and overall sneaker longevity.
Every seam is inspected to ensure stitching is precise and uniform across the pair.
Insoles are calibrated for exact placement, guaranteeing maximum comfort for the wearer. Laces and eyelets are inspected for alignment, functionality, and design accuracy.
A final cleating ensures every sneaker is pristine and ready for inspection.
Dimensional checks confirm that each sneaker meets exact specifications for size and shape. The finishing phase guarantees every sneaker achieves perfection in aesthetics, comfort, and durability.
High-precision lasers measure every sneaker, ensuring perfect alignment and size consistency.
Soles and heels undergo stress tests to verify durability and structural integrity.
Flex tests replicate everyday movement, ensuring the sneakers maintain shape and comfort.
Every detail is scrutinized, from stitching to surface quality, guaranteeing a flawless product. Water resistance and abrasion tests confirm the sneaker's performance under real-world conditions.
Insole and cushioning tests ensure consistent comfort and support for every wearer.
Final optical scans verify cosmetic perfection, matching brand standards and design specifications.
Each sneaker is carefully boxed with protective inserts, ensuring safe transport.
Robotic palletizing organizes boxes efficiently, readying them for storage or shipping. Finished products are securely stored in organized warehouse racks for easy retrieval.
Before leaving the facility, workers confirm all shipments meet safety and accuracy standards.
Finished sneakers leave the factory, ready to reach stores and customers worldwide.